Welcome to the Ageless Style Society. If you're new here, I'm Sharon, and this is where we celebrate confidence, elegance, and personal style at every age. Because style doesn't disappear with time. If anything, it gets better. And with spring arriving, it's the perfect time to do something we all love: a style refresh. But here's the key: refreshing your style doesn't mean replacing everything in your wardrobe. Sometimes it simply means seeing your clothes with a fresh eye. First, let's start with your closet. Before you go buying anything this spring, start with where you are, your closet. So many times we forget about the beautiful pieces we already own. The dress we loved, the blouses we felt confident in, outfits that once made us feel amazing. A spring style refresh begins with rediscovering those pieces. When you go through your closet, ask yourself a simple question. Do I love this piece? Does it fit well? Does it reflect the woman I am today? If the answer is yes, then keep it. If the answer is no, it might be time to let it go. Let's talk colors. Add color back into your wardrobe. One of the easiest ways to refresh your wardrobe for spring is by embracing colors. I personally believe color is energy, color is personality, and most importantly, color has confidence. For some women, wearing color feels bold, but I always say, if something makes you feel joyful when you wear it, that's exactly what you should wear. Spring is a season for renewal, so this is the perfect time to introduce colors that make you feel alive. Maybe that's a beautiful fuchsia dress. Maybe it's a soft pastel blouse, or maybe it's a bold maxi dress that moves beautifully when you walk. By the way, stay with me because in a moment, I'm going to share one simple styling trick that can instantly elevate almost any outfit for spring. Style pieces in many ways. Another way to refresh your wardrobe without buying anything new is simply by styling your pieces differently. You might have a dress you normally wear by itself, but what happens when you add a light jacket, or a belt, or a pair of statement earrings? Sometimes the difference between an average outfit and a stylish one is simply how you style it. This is where creativity comes in. Play with your wardrobe. Mix pieces you normally wouldn't pair together. You might discover a brand new outfit hiding in plain sight. Now, the simple style trick. Remember the styling trick I mentioned earlier? Here it is. Add one statement piece. That one item might be a beautiful handbag, a bold earrings, stylish sunglasses, or even colorful shoes. One statement piece can transform the entire outfit. And the best part, you don't need a lot of them. Just a few thoughtful pieces can elevate everything you wear. Now, style confidence at any age. There's something important I want to say here, and this is something I truly believe. Style has no age limit. Confidence has no expiration date, and elegance only gets better with time. Fashion trends may come and go, but personal style, that is timeless. When you dress in a way that reflects who you are, you walk differently, you carry yourself differently, and people notice. So this spring, instead of feeling like you need to start over, start with what you already have. Add color. Style your pieces in new ways. And most importantly, wear your outfit with confidence. Because true style is never about age. It's about how you show up in the world. So ladies, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and join the Ageless Style Society. Here, we celebrate confidence, elegance, and timeless style. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in